The number 1, number 8 alliance in 3, 2, 1, go!
First 15 pre-programmed autonomous seconds here of the playoffs of the Pacific Northwest District Championship gets off to testing the structural integrity of the central hub as it fills nearly completely with multicolor cargo, looking like it generally gravitates towards blue. There are no rank points in the playoffs here in Rapid React. It's a pure best 2 out of 3 playoff bracket through the quarterfinal, semifinal, and final rounds. These teams are competing on purely score. Speaking of score, your number 8 alliance in blue has a pretty solid lead coming out of the autonomous period, 48-28, currently showing on the board, although it's going to change as all of this jammed cargo in the center hub starts to register. 3 Red Alliance machines make up your number 1 alliance. They're zipping around trying to find any holes in this Blue Alliance defense that they possibly can. Jack in the Bot with no cargo in that machine. That robot generally capable of very fast cycles. Right now, they are completely starved for cargo by this aggressive Blue Alliance defense. That's coming at you from Bellarmine Prep's Revolution 360 as they push Jack in the Bot all the way back into the Red Alliance hangar. However, that does free up the other 2 Red Alliance machines to make their contributions to try, and actually quite successfully at that, close up this score margin. Cyber Knights out of Seattle and Panther Robotics, your Eastern Washington team on this number 1 alliance. Excuse me, a Bonnie Lake team on this number 1 alliance, both adding score contributions. The center hub scores do not change here in the playoff rounds. They are still 2 points per piece of cargo scored in the high goal and 1 point per piece in the low. The score gap now completely mitigated, and actually the Red Alliance has come back ahead by, well, it was 4 points. Score now tied, it's neck and neck. Looking at the Blue Alliance, we've got 955 out of Corvallis. That's CV Robotics launching off a few pieces of blue cargo. However, 1 goes a little bit astray and bounces back out of the center hub. Endgame buzzer sounds. Final 30 seconds. We're going to see 29.90 for blue. Turner's hot wire reaching up. They're on the middle rung. Now the high rung for 10 points. Can they complete the traversal for 15? They're going to need every point they can against these notorious climbers over on the Red Alliance. We do see 32-18 Panther up for the traverse for 15. Cyber Knights going for the high. They'll go for the traverse. We know Jack in the Bot can do one of their own. Will we have the Northwest's first ever triple traverse? That answer is no, as Jack in the Bot stays on the ground. 30 points in the hangar on the Red Alliance side, and 20 Red Alliance victory, and they'll go up 1 in the series. Your score, 122 red, 105 blue. And before we move on to quarterfinal match 2, in case you're just tuning in, let's take a look at how we play Rapid React.